One half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Guys, today we are reviewing a do-it-yourself outdoor misting system. This thing right here can be used in multiple ways. You know, the summertime is here, so you want to cool down, start a garden, have a greenhouse. We got everything for you. Inside the little kit here, you will have a 26-foot hose here. This hose will go pretty much all over your yard. You can buy more than that, or you can get it longer if you want to. It comes with a brass connector. This connector right here hooks into your water hose. Also, you have a flex tube here so you can seal it. It also comes with a silicone seal and a filter that you put right inside here once you connect it to the water hose. You have tie wrap so you can customize this. This thing can be used anywhere. It can be used as a trampoline, a greenhouse, a sun umbrella, or you can put it on your patio. If you just want to cool down, you can use it like that. It also comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 misters. These right here, I like these things. They're well made. And check this out, you guys. Look, you see how that clicks? I'm going to show you in a minute. I like that. It's a reason why that clicks. And then you can adjust the misters right here. So you can totally customize this however you want. Basically, all of this interlocks together, you know. I'm going to show you guys outside how we put it all together, and we can use it as a mister, but we're going to use it as a waterer for our grass and for our garden. So you can set these up. So imagine the tube is going through these, and you can put, you know, any kind of directions you want to do off of this and have your tube going out, and then the mist comes out. What you're going to do is, once you spread this out, this is 26 feet of tubing. And as you know, you can, you know, cut this however you want it. But basically what you do is you allow, you know, a little bit to go to the water faucet. So let's say, for instance, here's your brass coupling here. This goes in first, so you'll put the coupling in first. Then you'll put your filter in, like so. And then this screws onto your water faucet. But on the other end, what you do is, you've got your brass connector here. So you just push that through there. Make sure that the tubing is in there like so. It's fit just like that. That's how you want it to fit. Then you tighten this down. And once you tighten that down, this part goes to your water hose. So now, I'm not going to cut this tube right now. I'll show you once I get everything measured outside and set up. But let's say like we're going to take this run. You know, normally you would cut it however you want it. But let's say this is my first cut. Right here. You see how this clicks? Watch this. I'm just going to push this in. And now this is tight. This is snug. So now, as the water comes down through the water faucet, you adjust this on how you want the mist to come out. And then you set that up. And then if you're putting it up high, you can use these tie wraps to tie it up high so the mist can come down this way, however you want to customize it. And the best thing I like about it too, once if you want to take it out, you just watch it, listen. You just click that down and it pops right out, just like that. Locks in, pops out, just like that. So if you got multiple, you know, tubing, you can go and then you put multiple tubing down. However you want to space it, you can totally set this up to customize your setup. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to go outside. We're going to get everything set up, but that's what comes in the kit. It's very affordable. DIY, do it yourself. Let's go. All right, you guys, I got all my pieces out here. I've got a pair of scissors also so I can cut this, because as you know, it comes with one long cord, one long tube. So you have to cut it to make off your sections. So you also have to remember that this is your end piece. This goes on the end. So let's start here. I'm gonna come over to my water hose. Remember, this is how it gets set up. Just like that. You screw this on the end of your your water hose, make sure it's tight so that nothing leaks out. Next thing we want to do, here's my yard here. So let's see how far we get on the initial tubing. So here's the initial tubing, you guys, right here. It stretches right across. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one down the middle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a couple of sections in here just to show you that I'm going to put on my end piece. So let's put the end piece on here first. We're in the midst of getting our yard together, you guys. So here's the end piece. I'm gonna put that on first. So if I can get my fingers together, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna hear a little snap right there. And then you can also, once you turn it on, you adjust this how you want it. That's the end piece. So what I'm gonna do next is we're going to make sure it's 6 feet from the house. You want to make sure that you're 6 feet away. 6 feet is about right here. So what I'm going, you just cut that like so. Put that in, and then bring this in just like that, airtight. You just push it in to take it out. So this allows you to totally customize how and where you want the sprinklers. So I'm going to leave that up. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make another one about right here. So that way we've got 2. Make this cut, put that in, and we're gonna do that. So now, I don't know. All right, you guys, I decided to do an elevated misting system. As you can see, the mist coming out right now, coming right down the line. We've got another one right here. The mist is coming out, got going down. And that's how it is, easy peasy. I definitely recommend this if you have a garden or you want to water something. This is perfect, so definitely make sure you guys go out and get this. The link should be in the description. Appreciate you watching all my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.